Welcome to Film as Literature. This is going to be just a brief walkthrough of the class. It seems that you guys are already navigating the class quite well from your first posts, but I do want to go over a few things. The left-hand menu here gives you all of the direction you need to navigate the course. Announcements will appear here. You will also get those as emails. The syllabus, click on this link. You will see everything that you need to know for the class, all the assignments, all the materials, etc. And you'll find information about me here. Most of the information you need to complete the class is in the second part of the menu. The units give you all of the assignments organized by units. The due dates are hopefully quite clear about when posts are due and when responses are due. Make sure you are responding as per the instructions. Here you will find the podcast that you're going to start listening to in the next couple of units, as well as the novel to film adaptation assignment. Click here and then go into here. You will see the 3 papers that you need to do. To get started in this class, please take a look at the list of novels that all have been made adapted for the big screen. Choose one and only one of them, and I would suggest that you take some time to look at the content and do a little research on what the novels are about so that you pick one that suits you and is interesting to you as you work through the unit. There's a good variety of novels here, and the films that were made from them are both commercial films, and then also there are some independent films as well, and a number also that come from countries other than the United States. In a few weeks, we will get to the midterm exam. When you get to that, you will click, get some instructions, some discussion, and then click on the midterm and take it. So make sure that as you go through this class, which operates at a very quick pace, it's something that's due almost every day, that you stay in touch with me. If you have any questions, send me an email, and I will be available to meet with anybody via Zoom for a conference if need be. I look forward to reading your work and learning with you this term.